In this video, we'll be looking into how to successfully export a document from Affinity as a PSD file format by preserving its text editing capabilities. So in order to export the document, first of all, navigate to File menu item, click on Export and click on the Export button. As you can see that there are many file formats that we can export to on the left. And we also have a file format called PSD, which is the Photoshop file format, which we can directly save to and can be opened in Photoshop. However, if we try to open or edit the text in the layers, then we'll not be able to edit the text because it will be rasterized if we directly export it as PSD. So the workaround for this problem is that we can export it by any of the three file format given on the left, which is PDF, EPS or SVG. For this video, I'll be exporting to PDF first. So as you can see, PDF is already selected and we can export it to PDF for print and click on export. And now it will ask for where we want to save this particular PDF file. I'll go ahead and save it to desktop and click on save. So it has been exported to the desktop. So this is the file that we have recently exported. Now the next step is to open it from Illustrator. So we'll right click on it and navigate to open with and then click on Adobe Illustrator 2026. Now you can see that it has been successfully opened in Illustrator. So this is the document right here, and as you can see, it has the editing capabilities of the text wonderfully preserved in Illustrator as well. However, we want to preserve this particular editing capabilities of text in Photoshop. So in order to do that, now we can navigate to File again and then go to Export and click on Export As. After clicking on Export As, click on Format and you can see that there is a file format called Photoshop PSD. Click on it and we also want to rename our file. So I'll rename it to Adventure 1. It is not mandatory to rename the file since we can replace with the existing file in desktop. However, I will rename it right now. So I'll add 1 at the end of our file name and then hit on export. And you will see this option right here. The option or the settings that are presented here are fine. So I'll click on OK. Now it will start to export, as you can see. So it has successfully exported. Now let's minimize or hide Illustrator. And you can see now that our new file Adventure 1 has been successfully exported. Now double click on this file. And after double clicking, you'll see that the document is successfully opened in Photoshop. And the best thing about it is all the layers that we had in Affinity are fully intact, and we can also edit the text Adventure now. So let me add a character. As you can see, I've added a character Adventure. So I'll commit the text. Now you can see that we can fully edit the text that was there in the original Affinity document. So in this way, you can successfully export a document from Affinity to PSD file by preserving its text editing capabilities in Photoshop. So if you find this video helpful, please click on the like button. And in order to get more tips and tricks about Affinity, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next video.